So we'll start with melting our butter in our water. You can heat this in a pan or in a microwave, doesn't really matter. And then we add a nice mixture of water and melted butter. Now we'll go on with the flour. We'll add the egg first, so it doesn't curdle when we add the water. Then we can slowly add the butter. And keep stirring it through till it thickens. At which point we're going to knead it, and after that we're going to turn it over on a workplace. At which point we can wrap our dough in plastic wrap. And set it in the fridge. Okay, for the filling we're going to use 5 apples. We're going to bake those in a combination of rose water and butter. I'm going to use a tablespoon of rose water. After that we're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Okay, so I've peeled the apples, cored the apples, sliced them into wedges, and now we're going to bake them. And now we'll add some cinnamon. And the fennel seeds. Better do some extra of both just to be sure. Okay, as I found out, I don't have a rolling pin, but I have a solution. We're just gonna wrap this empty cider bottle in plastic wrap and use that as a rolling pin. I've got our pastry out of the fridge and now we're gonna roll it out. And onto a buttered pie plate it goes. Now we'll make our lid. And now we'll add some sugar on top. And we'll put on the lid. And just because it looks good, I'm going to put on an egg wash. And why not make it extra fancy with some extra sugar on top. And now it's going in the oven. Okay, now let's see if it's any good. It's different than the apple pies I'm used to, but yeah, it's still pretty good. Well, if you like videos like this one, let us know, and maybe we'll make some more.